Hi, this is a video on how to fix heavy duty press studs with the green machine. First, we're going to need a hole cutting die. This is what it looks like. This will be your base die, and this will be your top die. In this instance we're going to be using 3mm. You will also need a press stud die. This comes in 4 parts. Your first part will hold your cap. Your second part will hold the female socket. Your third part will be for your post. And the fourth part is going to hold your stud. We'll punch the holes into our fabric first. So I'll put the cutting dies in. We'll place the webbing underneath and push down. Give it a little twist, and we'll do the same on the other side. Perfect. We'll change this over to the press stud dies. I'm going to use the base die here with our cap, which will just slot in there, and that will point upwards. Then we're going to use our top die here. This is going to hold our stud, which we're going to put in upside down, like that, and that screws into the top. We'll place the material over the shaft of the cap, hold it into place, push down. There's one side done. We'll swap our dies over. We're going to use our second base die. It's going to hold the post, which just sits on there. And then our other top die, which is going to hold our socket, which is going to just pop in upside down. So it sits like that. We'll put the material over the top, and then we'll push down.